Hi guys, this is Crystal Engineer. We are in Antalya. We had a lot of adventure here. Very beautiful place, and we were searching for gold and gem. Now I found something I want to show you. Hopefully I found worthy things. This is my van and car. We are camping in Antalya and adventure is going on here. I searched for gem and gold. I want to show you. Sweetie, a lot of rocks I found here. Okay guys, firstly fuchsite. I love it. It is beautiful. In the river it was shining like a gold. A lot of I found fuchsite rocks. I found a lot of in the river and in the mountain on rocky area. Okay guys, you see a lot of, and I love this fuchsite rock. A lot of, and this is the outside shell of rock, but inside agate or chalcedon. Beautiful. I found a lot of, yes, agate. I found a lot of, and some crystals. I love it. Shiny, beautiful. Okay. My son is helping me to wash the rocks and some agate or obsidian, maybe obsidian. I cracked down this rock. It should be obsidian. I want to show you. Should be obsidian or agate or chalcedon, maybe. Yes, fuchsite rock. I found a lot of. I love the surface. I love the surface view. Beautiful. I found this in the river. It was shining. Amazing. Amazing what you created, God. Quartz. Beautiful. Also tomorrow I will check some rock and I will search some rock and gold in sea and river, mountain and lovely crystal. It's string or calcite. String or calcite. I love it. Beautiful. I found in the rock. I found this in the mountain. This is also fuchsite. You see, this is not wooden shell. This is fuchsite stone. I really love it. A lot of. You see the color and shiny surface. Beautiful. Also, we had a lot of adventure in Antalya. We found a secret tunnel and caves. Also I will share the videos about this. A lot of adventure, exciting moments we had in Antalya and some dangerous moments, some exciting and scary moments also. Yes, you see the golden color, some maybe gold formation, a lot of shiny things. Creations by God, amazing. I love the crystal and rocks. Maybe some gold formation, but I'm not sure. But seems good. Yes, you see, this is a quartz. Quartz is some materials or some minerals. You see the shell, looks like gold. I hope. Hopefully gold. Also, I love this. Really love this. Layer beauty. And some beautiful rock. Again, fuchsia. Some rocks you see golden color. I think we are approaching the most beautiful element, or rock or metal. Some fuchsia. You see the surface. It is good news. We see the rusty area. Another fuchsia. Another one. Good for making jewelry. Okay, guys. Another beautiful rock. You see the yellow shining? Yes. A lot of yellow shining. Should be a gold formation here. I will check, detail it. And the lovely one. The most lovely one. Okay, guys. You see the beautiful shining color and lights. Hopefully it is gold. Hopefully. If it is not gold, no problem for me. It is really beautiful. And another one. Please. It must be gold. Even if it is not gold, I will be happy, because gold is looking for gold. But not easy. Really not easy. Only these small particles I have suspected to include gold.